Okay, let's give you some yogurt. Here you go. You want the spoon? Mmm. What do you think? Pretty tasty. Mm-hmm. Yummy. Yeah, I know, it's a little sour. But I think it's good. See, I'm eating it too. Yum, 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 yum. Just let me know if you need a little more on your spoon, okay?